So Claude Code is awesome. I think we all know this, but there is a problem. If you're a power user like I am, then you soon figure out that it's really expensive. You start off on the $20 a month plan, and then you start to see these notifications multiple times a day. Then you move up to the $100 a month plan, but you still see these just as you're in the middle of something. So you dig deep into your pockets and you get the $200 a month plan. But believe it or not, you are still hitting those limit notifications. Honestly, this is insane. And what if I told you you could get 90% of the Claude Code experience, like the file editing, the agents, the skills, all for a tiny fraction of the cost? Well, today I'm going to show you 2 ways which you can do this and how you can save yourself a small boatload of cash in the process. If you are new here, hello, my name is Matt. I've helped over 2,000 business owners learn about AI and apply it to their business to save time and to make more money. Now, before we go any further, let me talk about what this is not. I am not talking about open source models and running them locally. For the record, I love open source models. I think they are the future, but here is the unfortunate truth. If you want a model that has the similar sort of power as the great models out there at the moment, like Opus 4.6 or GPT 5.2, 5.3, you're gonna need a seriously beefy computer. And 99% of people just do not have these powerful computers. Now, if you want to go and drop 2 or 3K on a GPU that can actually run these models, then by all means go and do that. But if you don't have an expensive PC, or you don't want to go and spend a couple of grand on an expensive graphics card, then running good open source models locally doesn't really make a lot of sense. So if you don't have a supercomputer at home, let me tell you about the real solution. So first, we need to go through Claude Code and what it actually is, the 2 components that make it up, and what makes it so powerful. So there are 2 main components to the Claude Code experience. So first, we have the AI models like Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6, Haiku, other models like this. This is one side. But then we have the other side, which people know less about, which is sometimes called the agentic loop or the harness. This is not the model. And it's important to make this distinction. You can think of it like this. If the AI model is the brain, then the harness or the agentic loop would be kind of like the body in this situation. It enables Claude Code to carry out the intelligence that the brain gives it. For example, being able to call tools or use skills or do web fetches, these are all function of the agentic loop, not the AI model. And only when you put these 2 together do you get the godlike experience that Claude Code gives you. But like we said, this is expensive. So here's the key insight that most people are missing. The model, the actual brain, is the expensive part. That's what's eating through your credits and hitting those limits. But the agentic loop, the body that does all the heavy lifting, that part is essentially free. It's just software. Now, we can't just swap in local models for the reasons that we've already talked about in this video. So what we do instead is change the agentic loop, the harness, away from Claude Code to something else, something that lets us bring our own model and pay only for what we use. No monthly limits, no notifications cutting you off mid-flow. And at the moment, there are 2 really great options for this, both completely free. So the first one is called Open Code. This is an open source alternative to Claude Code, and the software itself is absolutely free. Just like Claude Code, you've got your file editing, you've got your agents, your tools, your skills, your MCPs, all of it, the full experience. Now, instead of living inside of your terminal or inside of a code editor, Open Code has its own proper desktop app, just like Claude Code has. You can simply download it from the website, install it like you would any other application, and you are straight in. No having to fiddle around in the command line like you do with some others. And now comes the really interesting part, connecting your models. And there are often models which are absolutely free to use inside of Open Code. And you can use this absolutely for free. And therefore, the whole experience actually is free if you're using some of these models. Now, these models are either not the best quality, or they're only there for a short amount of time because they're part of some sort of promotion that the maker of the AI model gives to Open Code to get more people to use it. You can use these if you want to, but in order to get good results, you really want to pick which model you use. And to do this, I use OpenRouter. If you haven't heard of OpenRouter, it's essentially a marketplace for all AI models. You basically just have one account, one API key, and it gives you access to hundreds of different AI models out there. This means that you can connect models like any of the Claude models, any of the OpenAI models, any of the Google Gemini models, any of the Mistral models, anything that you want, you can connect into Open Code. Now, they're not free because you do pay for these through OpenRouter. You have complete flexibility over how much you use it and also when you use each model. So if you've got a really complex task that you're doing, you might want to use a more expensive, higher tier model. If you're just doing something basic, you might want to use a cheaper model. This gives you incredible flexibility and keeps your costs really low because you're always picking the right model for the job rather than just defaulting to the most expensive one. Okay, so that's Open Code. The other one which I'm going to recommend to you guys is called Roo Code. Very similar idea, and again, completely free to install and use. You just pay for the AI tokens that you consume. This one lives inside VS Code as an extension, or at least that's where I like to use it. You simply download VS Code, go to the extensions panel and search for Roo Code. Hit install, and you're done. That's it. Now, all you have to do is connect to the different AI providers. Again, I like to connect to OpenRouter, but you can connect to whatever you want to. And there you go, it's all set up and you're off to the races. File editing, terminal commands, agents, MCP agents, everything that Claude Code does, it does as well. And there are a few little tweaks to both Open Code and to Roo Code. For example, in Roo Code, they've got different modes, a bit like how Cursor does. It's got the architect mode for planning your projects, and it's got the code mode for actually coding and building it. And interestingly, Roo Code is one of the alternatives that big companies like Amazon actually use internally to do a lot of their software engineering. So it's battle tested and a serious bit of kit. Now, both tools that I mentioned here are completely free to install, free to run. The only thing you're going to pay for is your actual AI model usage. And because you're paying per use rather than a fixed subscription, a lot of people find out it actually works out significantly cheaper. Also, you can completely choose which models you want to use. So, for example, you can use models like DeepSeek 3.2, which is like 10 times cheaper than some of the Claude Opus models. Now, you don't get exactly the same results, but when you do factor into the mix and you're able to use the different quality and the different price models for different things, the entire cost overall comes down. And more importantly, you are not hitting those hard limits. You pay for whatever you want to use. So there we go, two big tools, one big unlock. You've got Open Code and you've got Roo Code, both giving you back complete control over your costs and meaning that you never have to hit one of those limits again. And speaking of getting the most out of these tools, I put together a free list of over 600 Claude Code skills. Claude Code skills also work in Roo Code, also work in Open Code, and they also work with OpenClaw as well. If you want access to all of these, which are saving me a lot of time and a lot of my community members, they're saving a lot of time for as well, then I've put the list down below absolutely for free. Go and check it out. That's it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.